Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to hold a crochet hook and yarn. Firstly, take your piece in your right hand. Then take your left palm and face to you. Hold your piece in front of the left palm. Then wrap the working yarn once around your pinky. So, now your piece is in front of your fingers. Wrap your piece over your index finger from back to the front. Hold the piece with your thumb and middle finger. The loop is for your hook. With this position, we can adjust the tension of the yarn between your finger and the piece. The tension of this yarn determines how easy it's for you to pull a loop. How to make it looser? Move your finger closer to you. The yarn becomes more slack. How to make it tighter? Pull your finger away from you. The yarn becomes more taut. Lastly, how to hold the hook? You can hold it like pencil, or hold it like a knife. Just do whatever is most comfy for you. Insert the hook into the loop and start to crochet.